Hello, I'm Chris Moore with Solid Rock Enterprises. We specialize in helping people stay safe and comfortable in their own homes. A big part of that is grab bars. It's been said that grab bars are the new seat belts. And as you will see in another video, solid wood blocking inside the wall is your best solution for anchoring grab bars to the wall. However, sometimes you do not have that luxury, or you don't know what's behind the wall. And so we are going to talk now about hollow wall fasteners of various kinds that we can use to install grab bars in situations where we do not have solid wood blocking. We'll start out with this right here. This is a model called a secure mount, manufactured by Moen. Behind the wall, sandwiching the drywall between this plate and this plate. It tightens up and then the grab bar is mounted to this plate. This is a commercial wing-it, again for use inside of a hollow wall. Drill an 1.25 inch hole in the drywall or plaster, insert this, back this screw out, pop it, and then these fingers open up behind the drywall and tighten up behind it. And then the grab bar is fastened to this plate here. It's another product manufactured by Wing-Its. This is the residential Wing-It. This one operates by drilling 2 3/4 inch holes in the drywall, pushing this fastener through the hole, and then tightening out behind the drywall. The next 3 items are manufactured by Toggler. These are called alligator anchors, and they are a large plastic sleeve anchor. You drill a 5/16 hole. These are particularly effective if you have a concrete block wall, and you can insert these into the block and then tighten the screw up into the anchor. They also work in tile. The next 2 are what we call togglers. There are the 3/16 and the 1/4 inch togglers. Both of these operate in the same manner. Drill a hole in the wall, insert this through the hole, and then tighten up this up to the drywall, and then install the screw into the toggler. And last but not least, we have an anchor here that is specifically designed for installing grab bars in fiberglass shower surrounds, where you have a airspace between the stud and the surround. This stem is drilled into the stud, and then the cap is screwed on top like this. Then the grab bar is fastened to the face of this anchor. All of these anchors, if you are using them, be sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendations in terms of what types of wall surrounds, what types of wall coverings to use them in, and the rated wall capacity. One thing you need to make sure when using any of these anchors is that the wall itself is sound and that it is not damaged in any way, because again, we are providing these as a way to anchor grab bars, which are there to support someone's weight, prevent them from falling, and prevent accidents. So we need to be very mindful that whatever anchor we're using, that we are sure when we leave the job that that bar is attached in a way that will support the person's weight. This is one of the services we provide here at Solid Rock Enterprises, help to keep people safe and comfortable in their own homes, prevent accidents, and enhance well-being.